Amazon FBA fees can be a complete pain. Nobody likes them, but everybody has to deal with them. There are so many of them, and they can definitely cut into the profitability and viability of your product on Amazon. What are the different types of fees and how much are they going into 2020? Let's go. What is up, guys, and welcome back to the Prestige Amazon FBA family. If you guys are new here, welcome. My name is Andy. I put out Amazon FBA content twice a week just for the Prestige fam. So if you guys are new here, welcome. If you guys are interested in joining a free Facebook group just for Amazon FBA sellers, definitely go check out Prestige Amazon FBA Mastermind on Facebook. I'll leave a direct link down below in the description. And if you guys are interested in a free 30-minute coaching call, all you guys need to do is stay till the end of this video to find out how you can be entered into winning that. But in this video, I wanted to go over some of the Amazon FBA fees. There seems to be so many of them now, especially in comparison to when I first started. It can be hard and easy to lose track of these fees and where they're coming from. I wanted to create this video to keep you guys in light of the different fees that are going on and that are coming out with the Amazon FBA platform, especially if you plan to sell on Amazon long term. It's definitely beneficial and it's definitely important to keep these fees in the back of your mind, especially when you guys are calculating your profitability and things like that. If you guys haven't already gotten the Prestige Amazon FBA cheat sheet, please be sure to go do so down below in the first link. In that link, I include a direct link to Amazon's specific profitability calculator for certain products. It's super simple to use. It's tied in with their database, so you can basically search up your competitors' listings, see how much they're getting charged for fees, and you can use their product as a similar product to compare with yours. To determine how much profit you'll be making, and it'll take out the fees for you. So super beneficial. Helium 10 also has this a part of their Chrome extension. So all you have to do is download the free Helium 10 Chrome extension. And if you guys are interested in Helium 10, I do have a 50% off discount code for you guys down below as well. But the Chrome extension is free. It also includes a profitability calculator that ties directly into the Amazon site. So super simple, definitely check that out. But I wanted to keep this video as concise as possible, giving you the most details in the shortest amount of time. So to start, the first fee that everybody is hit with when they first start selling on Amazon is the Amazon seller's fee. Now, Amazon has two different plans for this. They have the professional seller plan and the individual seller plan. To start the individual seller plan, you don't need to pay a monthly fee. You do need to pay their shipping and packing costs, and you also do need to pay, I think it's like $1 for commission, kind of something like that. So for every unit that you sell, you pay an additional $1. I don't recommend this to people looking to start the private label game. If you plan on selling more than 40 units a month, I definitely recommend you signing up for the professional plan. The professional plan is $39.99 per month, and this takes away that additional $1 fee per item. And this also allows you to have access to your business reports, so everything that you sell you can download in an Excel sheet, and you can definitely pull out a lot of valuable information from that. You can also have access to Amazon's sponsored ads. That's PPC, if you guys are more familiar with PPC. But you're able to create ads for your products to gain more traffic and then eventually more sales. And you also have access to Amazon Brand Registry and other huge benefits. So definitely check out the professional plan if you guys are interested in selling long term. It's $40 a month. Again, if you plan on selling more than 40 units per month, that's definitely the way to go in my opinion. Next are Amazon storage fees. No, Amazon does not store your products for free, unfortunately. I wish this was the case. This would definitely save me some money here and there. But this fee is dependent on the quarter of the year. So storage fees are definitely a lot cheaper during the first 3 quarters of the year, and during the last quarter of the year it definitely increases drastically, a good amount. So Amazon usually charges you per cubic foot. So during the first 3 quarters of the year, they'll charge you 69 cents per cubic foot, depending on the size of the product that you have. Oversized products are a little cheaper, but they do take up more space, so they do eventually cost more. But for standard size products, it is 69 cents per cubic foot. And if you guys are getting into Q4 and you guys are storing your products in Amazon warehouses during Q4, it goes from 69 cents to $2.40 per cubic foot. I know this is a drastic increase, but you guys will see, if you guys aren't already selling in Q4, you definitely see a huge spike in sales. At least I have, and most people who are getting consistent sales do see that increase towards Q4. Just because it's the holiday season, it's the end of the year, everybody's in a purchasing mood, it's cold weather, everybody's staying inside and making their purchases, so Amazon definitely does increase the storage cost during this time. And Amazon somewhat recently just changed their policy on long-term storage fees. Now, long-term storage fees is considered to be any of your inventory that has stayed within Amazon warehouses for over 360 days. This is where the super drastic increases come into play. Instead of getting charged 69 cents on a standard product for the first 3 quarters, you now get charged about 10 times that. So instead of getting charged $6.90, you're now getting charged, instead of getting charged 69 cents, you're now getting charged $6.90. So there's definitely a huge increase in storage costs. It's definitely not worth it to have your product that's not selling sitting in the Amazon warehouses. So if you're having a product that's not really moving, not really going anywhere, not selling too many units on a daily basis, I would definitely try to figure out a plan to get it out of Amazon instead of losing money and paying for it sitting there. This is also in my cheat sheet down below, so definitely go check that out. I include a direct link there, so hopefully you guys find that useful. You'll find all the Amazon FBA fees there. Now, in terms of sales deductions and Amazon fees, Amazon does charge you for something called a referral fee, and this is highly dependent on the type of product that you sell and the price point that you sell it at, but usually the fee is about 15% of your total sale price. So if you have sold something for $10 and the referral fee is 15%, you will see a 1.5 or $1.50 deduction from your sale. And again, this is really dependent on the type of product that you sell and the price point that you sell it at. Now, this referral fee is basically just Amazon's way of letting you know that you're using their platform as leverage to make the sale. So that's why they consider it a referral fee. In addition to the referral fee, they also have a pick and packing fee. This is a great fee that I don't mind personally paying because Amazon gets excellent rates with shipping. So basically, whenever a sale comes in, somebody grabs the product for you, packs it, and ships it without you having to do any of that work yourself. Again, Amazon gets really good rates, and they have a partnership with UPS, which makes those rates even better. For a product that you would probably have to ship for yourself, would cost maybe 3 times less to ship, maybe even more, because Amazon gets a good deal, but it's a great fee. There's no exact percentage. This is highly dependent on, again, the type of product you sell, the size of the product, and maybe even the price point. So definitely there is a pick and pack fee for the product. Now, another fee that has somewhat recently come into play is the Amazon inventory placement fee. Now, I think earlier when I first started selling a few years back, this fee wasn't really active. I didn't really see any deductions in my personal account, but maybe within the last year or two, I've definitely seen these fees come into play. This fee also, again, depends on the size of your product. So the bigger the product you have, the more expensive it is. These fees are usually about 30 to 40 cents per unit, and it ranges up to $1.50 per unit if your product is oversized. Now, you may be wondering now, Andy, why is Amazon charging me for an inventory placement fee? Well, let me explain. So when you are shipping your inventory, say from China to an Amazon fulfillment center, you're shipping that entire unit, that entire package to one fulfillment center. And Amazon has tons and tons of fulfillment centers around the US and around the world, really. And if you are selling within the US, you need to be able to ship those units and divide that entire shipment into various fulfillment centers so that Amazon can better fulfill their prime shipping. That's their 1 to 2 day shipping. It's very difficult for them to fulfill a 1 to 2 day shipping if you have all of your inventory in California and you're getting orders in New York. It's highly unlikely that your customer will get that product, and in the end, it definitely helps you guys out because people want their products People want their products as soon as possible. So if the product is located closer to their location, it's more than likely they'll have a better customer service and a better customer experience. So definitely it's a fee that is a pain. Also, all fees are a pain, but definitely take that into account. It's definitely somewhat of a new fee, but something that you should definitely consider when calculating the profits for your product. Another optional program, or now two optional programs that Amazon has, is Amazon's reviewer programs. So the Amazon, maybe within the last year or two, has created the Amazon Early Reviewer Program, which is $60 per item for every brand new item that you enroll into the program. And this basically helps you collect up to 5 reviews from people that actually purchase your product. What Amazon does here, I'll explain briefly, is that they charge you $60 once you get the first review. But how they grab these reviews from purchasers is that they incentivize them with a few dollars. They say, hey, would you be willing to leave a review for the product that you have just purchased? We'll give you a $3 Amazon gift card in exchange for that. This is a great way to get your first reviews. And completely within terms of services, Amazon has just recently rolled out the Vine program, and this is also another reviewer program, which I'll create another video on. This can get you up to 30 reviews, and it's also a very great way to get those first reviews. And this one is up to 30, but I'll create another video on that. But definitely check that out if you guys are unaware. It just dropped, so exciting news. Another fee, somewhat of a fee that you need to take into account is Amazon sponsored ads. This isn't mandatory, so not every sale that you make you're going to be charged for Amazon sponsored ads. If you have a background in sales, or if you have an understanding of marketing, it's definitely important to get your product out there in front of people's eyes to increase those sales. If you want to grow your business, I feel like this is definitely necessary. Maybe not on the Amazon platform, but outside of the Amazon platform. But it's not mandatory. I just wanted to include this in this video in case you guys are starting your Amazon business. It's just something to take into account. You can pay as little or as much as you want to gain as much exposure or as little exposure as you would like. But again, I just wanted to include this in this video to keep it for you guys to keep it in mind. But hopefully this video helped you guys out. Again, if you guys are interested in that free 30-minute coaching call, all you guys need to do is like this video, comment down below #PrestigeAmazonFBA, and subscribe to the channel. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Thank you guys again for staying to the end. If you guys haven't already checked out the Facebook group, check out Prestige Amazon FBA Mastermind on Facebook. And if you guys have an Instagram, check me out on Facebook where I post daily Instagram content. You can find that at the official Andy Lamb on Instagram, or again, down below in the description. Until next time, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Happy holidays.